We're going to talk about how to download and use the Sage Dining menu app. So the first thing you're going to do is on your Android or iPhone, go to your App Store and type in Touch of Sage. Once you find the Touch of Sage app, you're going to download. If this is your first time going to the Sage Dining Services app, you're going to register. Once you've put in your personal information with the password that you desire, you can go ahead and find Landmark School by typing in our zip code, which is 01965. Landmark School pops up. Go ahead and touch on it and click Finish at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to Landmark School's personal dining menus. Once you have verified your email address, you should be all set to use the app. Right here you're seeing the home screen of the Sage app. Go ahead and click on the 3 bars on the top left corner, and this will open up your different options. Let's go to the menu option. This will show you the items that are going to be served that day. At the top you can navigate through the different days of the week as well as the different meals of the day. If you scroll down and click on an item, you can give feedback about the item, favorite the item, or look at the nutritional information. We're going to click on nutrition. This will show us not only the ingredients along with any allergens. You can also see the nutritional information. One of the great things you can do in this app is filter out allergens. In the top right corner, click on the thing that looks like a funnel. This takes you to all of the different allergens. If you have a gluten allergy, you can click on gluten, save it, and anything that has gluten in it will be grayed out. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in how to use and download the Sage Dining app. While this menu is the same as the one that you would access from the Landmark School website, having the app allows you to have it at your fingertips.